Hey, what's up guys? Jace over here at Marketing High, and today we are going to discuss SEO, which is also known as search engine optimization. And the reason why is because a lot of businesses, this is where they blow a lot of their money. This is where they get the phone calls. I get tons of them, I'm sure you do, of hey, people are going to rank you on page 1 of Google. And the reality is the likelihood of you getting there, it's pretty difficult. Takes a lot of time, money, expertise to get there. And I stress that over and over. It takes time, money, and expertise to win at online marketing. But let's go over SEO, and then I'm actually going to do something a little different here. I'm going to jump over onto my computer, and I'm going to show you what it takes to rank a page. I'll show you some that I've done, and so it'll give you a good idea of what you need to do. But first off, a couple things. So SEO stands for search engine optimization. Very first thing you need to do is make sure you have good, what's called on page. You need to have the right keywords being used. I'm going to show you that. And then you need to make sure that your website is submitted up to Webmaster Tools, which I'm also going to show you. And then on top of that, you need what's called backlinks. Now, the hard part about backlinks is right now backlinks work. Tomorrow they may not. Google could switch the rules. And that's the hard thing about SEO is today you could be ranked, tomorrow you might not. You could put in a ton of money and effort, and tomorrow it could all be gone because Google changes the rules. That's happened to me before. So just watch out for that. But here's a good example of what your page should look like. If you want to rank for a certain keyword, you need to make sure that you're using that keyword all throughout the page. And then these keywords need to be what's called a title tag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to my computer screen right now. I'm going to show you how it works, give you some ideas. That way you either know what you're doing, or you can talk to the company who's doing your search engine optimization, and you can talk to them and make sure they are doing these things. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly what it takes to rank. So very first thing you want to do is figure out what's the keyword that you want to rank for. So in my situation, I wanted to rank for video marketing services. That was the keyword. So if you type in video marketing services, hit enter on Google, you can see that there's 1 billion searches, okay? You got some ads up here. I'm also running an ad for this. But then you go down here to the search engine side, and you can see that I'm in number 2 position, okay? Now, that is a kind of a big deal because this is a very competitive keyword. So if you click on this page, got it? Let's take a look at what I've done. So very first thing is my header 1 tag is video marketing services. And then you can see I use the keyword video marketing consultants. Okay, I have an image here that's a video marketing checklist. Then I have YouTube channel, which has to do with video marketing, on page YouTube, video marketing services. So I've used the keyword here again. Keep going down. And you'll notice the content, create custom video campaigns. Okay, I've used a combination of video marketing, video services, YouTube, and then you keep going down, and then all these are different type of what's called header 1, header 2, header 3 tags. You want to have your original header 1 tag, and what I mean by that is if I jump over here onto my source, this is what Google reads. Okay, if I find my H1, right here, H1 video marketing services. Okay, if I look for my H2, okay, I got 12 of those. Why use video? Video marketing university. So, and you can see I use that. Where's the video marketing universe? Right here, this is a header 2. This is a header 2. And then I have backlinks going out. I have videos about video marketing process, and I got a lot of content on here. Okay. And that's how you're going to rank a page. If you really want to do well, you need to create a page like this. And then the next step is you're going to go out and get backlinks. That means you're going to get other websites to link to this page. And that is the way you're going to win at SEO. Hey, so I hope that helped with your search engine optimization. Just know that it does take time. It takes kind of expertise. And some keywords you're not going to be able to rank for. You're never going to get to that page 1. Okay, so if you have questions, always reach out to us. You can follow us here if you're on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Follow us, like us. We're always putting out videos like this almost once every other day. Hope they help, and that's it. Comment, questions, anything you need, let us know. Keep marketing. Peace.